Welcome back to the channel, guys. Wagwan Tours. Here we are down at Gerakas Beach. I'm going to take you up to these little mountains that they got here. I think they're called the Sandstone Mountains. Sandstone? I don't think it's Sandstone. But you're going to see. Lovely little walk. Beautiful views. Check out them views. Let's have a little see. Beautiful, beautiful day today. Now, for where we're staying, this took about 3 minutes on the motorbike. I think it's about a 25-minute walk, give or take. But yeah, another scorching day as usual over here in June. As you can see all the way over there, you have Turtle Island in the far, far distance. Don't know if you can make it out with this camera, but it's Turtle Island. But yeah, let's take a little walk. Show you these little mountains they've got around here. I'll stop off every so often to show you the views. This is a lovely walk. I do it every time I come here. Check that drop, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful crystal clear sea. It's one of my favourite sea to swim in is over here. I love Gerakas Beach. You can walk so far out. It's so shallow. A lot of big beetles. Big flying beetles everywhere. Saw a snake going across the road earlier on. Let's go and have a look at this one. Another little viewpoint right here. See if we can get through. Check that out. You can see the beach down there. Let me extend you out. Beautiful, beautiful Gerakas Beach. Look how crystal clear that water is. Absolutely amazing. Let's keep going. You can see I didn't really walk very far. And we're at these little mountains. Here we are. Straight through this gap. Is it called Sandstone? I don't think it's called Sandstone. I think it's called something else. But look at that drop. That is certain death. You fall off here. I've got another video where I put the 360 out quite far. Let's have a little walk around a bit more. I don't think I've ever walked further than this. Let's have a little walk a bit more. See if there's another viewpoint. I think the temperature today is going to be reaching about 35 again. That's the real feel, 35. They'll tell you something's a little bit different. They'll say it's around about 30 degrees today in the shade. But trust me, 35, 36, it's so hot. It's lovely. Love it. See if I can get you guys a good view again. Look at that. And you can obviously go down there and walk around it if you want to. You just walk along the sea. Look at that. Never see people coming around here, you know. It's like a little forgotten place, which suits me. I love places that people don't go to. When there's too much tourists, you don't get much time for yourself. You can't hear, you can't think. It's beautiful like this. Let's see if you go around a little bit more. So yeah, let me know if you've been here before. Drop it down in the comments. If you're new to the channel, this is Wagwan Tours. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button so you know when we get new videos popping up. We tend to go away once to twice a month and we post about 30 to 40 videos from every destination we've been to. This one's a bit extra special. We've got a soccer event that we attended here, Soccer Mazza. So you've got a lot of videos from that as well. I think this is about as far as I'm going to go round. Let's show you the viewpoint from here. Check that out. Absolutely stunning. And like I said, you can get down there by walking around the beach, around Gerakas beach. You take a right at the bottom and you walk around to where it's beautiful, walking around these limestone mountains. You can also walk into these little fields, it looks like. Chill out. So you could just sit here, have your little barbecue, have a picnic. You just come across here and have them beautiful views. So yeah. Again guys, make sure you subscribe. So I've noticed there's about 80 to 90% of you guys are not subscribed. Thank you to all the subscribers. And thank you all guys for watching anyway, because you know, you guys keep us going. It's the whole reason why we do this, for you guys. See Wagwan, innit? What we like to show you is our perspective. So we're not them holiday people. We don't get paid by nobody. We're not sponsored. So we're not here to show you things that we don't like. Like a lot of these people who have sponsors, they'll show you things that they don't really like, places they don't ever go to, but they will tell you it's amazing. That's not what we do. We go to places that we like. If it's brand new for us, then we'll tell you the truth, how we feel. It's the best way to do it. So you know you're getting authentic from us every time. If we don't enjoy something, we'll happily tell you we didn't enjoy it. But trust me, we love Zante. There's places on this island I guess some people don't like. We quite enjoy Laganash Strip, but we're going to go to it for 2 nights. Then we'll go off some other places. We like to stay in about 2 different areas of the island, 2 to 3. Vasilko is one of our favourites because you stay in Vasilko, you've got Gerakas Beach on your doorstep, you've got Banana Beach, you've got the Finley Beach. Check it out there. You could just chill out down there. If you're chilling out down there, you have a little picnic. And then you can just come across here to this beautiful viewpoint. And that's where we was just around there a minute ago. And if you keep following this trail all the way around, it will take you back all the way around. It's like a big loop. So it's a good walk. But yeah, we go down there, go to this viewpoint, and we'll finish the video. As you just saw, one person since I've been up here. One person. So it's not like it's well known to walk this side of this Gerakas beach. But as I said, look, you walk along the beach, straight along, all the way around to your right, and you get to those little bits, white flooring there, and that's it. That'll take you to the limestone mountains. So guys, thanks again for tuning in. It's Wagwan Tours here down at Gerakas Beach. Make sure you like, subscribe, share the video as much as you can, because that's what helps us, sharing videos, liking and commenting. Thanks again, yeah? Till the next one.